Hello, sir. Hello. Good evening, sir.
Hello, thanks Ankur for the introduction and guys, am I audible? Ankur, can
So your volume is low.
okay, just give me a second. Just give me a second. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good evening, all of you. My name is Robin Sharma, as Ankur mentioned. So thank you so much for joining this session. Between the session, I'd like to request all of you to please be on mute. And once we have done the, all the covered all
Evening,
the
sir.
things, then we can unmute and then we can discuss on the doubts and queries, right? So basically, this session is about digital marketing to introduce you to digital marketing, give you a little basics about it, and then what are the benefits of digital marketing and rest XYZ, whatever is related to digital marketing. Okay. So now I'll be sharing my screen. So you all can view my screen right now, right? Can you see something on my screen? Is my screen visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes,
So
sir.
yeah. Okay. So
Yes,
what
sir.
is digital marketing? Okay, thank you. So, what is digital marketing? Like, you guys might have a fair idea about it. So, let's deep dive into it. Digital marketing is basically marketing your products and service into the digital technology over the internet. For example, today, if I sell something online and I'm using Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, any of these channels to market my products to come before online customers with the help of advertising, that is known as digital marketing, right? So where do you see like for example, if you find like search something on Google, you see the results are coming up. Sometimes the paid results are coming up. When you browse YouTube, you see some video ads coming up. When you browse Facebook, you see some ads coming up, right? So using the internet and using the digital channels is known as, for marketing your products and services, is known as digital marketing, right? Simple. So basically about me, I am the founder of DigiEdzo. DigiEdzo is a digital marketing training and consulting company in Guwahati, Assam. So my experience, like I have around 7 years of experience in digital marketing, and last I was working with Accenture and Google, and I was managing campaigns for big brands like Nike, Hyundai, and many more. So in my corporate life, I have like given many training sessions, and now I have taken this passion forward with DigiEdzo in Guwahati. Okay, so why to learn digital marketing, like how it can benefit you in today's in today's world? Everything related around you is online, right? You use your phone, you use your laptop, you use Facebook, Google, Instagram for everything. Like that is why digital marketing has become important, because every business now are coming online. They want to reach out to the audience online. Previously, like it was only about traditional marketing, like giving ads on newspaper, like distributing pamphlets and all. But now with digital marketing and with the rise in online appearance of the businesses, digital marketing has become very important. That's why it is the fastest growing industry with 30% growth each year. Now there are maximum number of job like available in digital marketing in Guwahati, and even in metro cities like you can see in Delhi, Bangalore, Pune, and all the metro cities, like digital marketing jobs are in abundance. It dominates the freelance industry. For example, tomorrow if you don't want to do any job and you just want to work from your home doing some freelance work, so digital marketing is the best option. You can sit at your home and you work for clients and you earn a lot of money by using digital marketing skills. Entrepreneurs can use it to promote their own business. Tomorrow if you want to start your own business, if you want to start a cafe, or if you want to promote your any business, any consulting business, or anything you do, you will require digital marketing, because digital age is here. Digital marketing is the new demand that you cannot escape. And India is rising digitally. In like European countries or Western countries, you will see everything is online. Even a plumber is online. So every business, be it small, medium, or big, everything is online. The trend has started in India. You can see cafes, like small consulting companies, like anyone, insurance companies, everybody is trying to target their customers online. So that's why in India, digital marketing is on huge demand right now. So if you work as a digital marketing employee, what can you expect? So starting, if you work in, this is a data like from Pan India. If you work as an executive, you can earn somewhere around 1.5 to 4 lakhs. Gradually, you climb the ladder, and once you become a digital marketing head for a consulting firm, or for any in-house company, in a span of 5 to 10 years, you can earn anywhere around 10 lakhs to 30 lakhs. Now, this also depends on your passion, on your skill, and on your hard work, right? Now, who can learn digital marketing? So the best thing about digital marketing is that you do not require any specific background qualification to learn digital marketing. Okay, you can be a student, you can be a working professional, you can be anyone. You can be either be, you can also like, even if you're like, even if you're a housewife or you are a homemaker, you can learn digital marketing and use it for doing something at like in your free time, right? So digital marketing is for everyone. It's an independent set of skills. It doesn't mean that you have done BBA or MBA or like commerce or arts, then only you can like deep dive into the skill, right? So now what we do in our module and what we teach on digital marketing and what is digital marketing. First thing is fundamentals, like what is digital marketing? You have a fair idea, but we deep dive into it and how it works. Basically, every business has a different set of strategy. For example, digital marketing strategy for a fashion industry cannot be the same for a IT industry, right? If you're like running a cafe, your digital marketing strategy will be different. And if you're running an IT company, your digital marketing strategy will be different. Basically, it works depending on the business and the strategy that works for it. So various channels of digital marketing, like you might have a fair channels means, like for example, if you're using social media, so that is a channel. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. If you're using Google, so search engine optimization, so that is a channel. So there are different channels. You need to integrate those channels and make your digital marketing work. Simple words, digital marketing is like trying to get customers online, right? Be it any business. Website planning and creation is an important part of digital marketing. Why? Because see, if you are like, for example, today I say I have a restaurant and I advertise it to 10 people, okay, and I ask them to come to my restaurant. So I have done the advertising part. So ultimately those people will come to my restaurant, and ultimately the restaurant is the place where the people will decide, okay, are they coming again or not? So that's why the website is your asset through which all your digital marketing efforts are meant to bring people to your website, your app, your video, your blog, whichever, like it can be anything. So that's why we need to know how should a website be, because ultimately if you are like, for example, if you're advertising about your shop, you should know how to like uh, bring those customers in your shop and give them a good experience. So same is with the website. Yeah. Okay, no problem. So is my screen visible now again?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So website planning and creation, you need to know, you like, you did not be a very like core website developer, but you need to know how a website should be, because ultimately with your digital marketing efforts, you bring people to your website. You bring the online audience to your website, and gradually they decide to buy from you or take the services, right? Now, search engine optimization, like what do we understand by search engine? Basically, like the most prominent and the major search engine is Google, right? In Google, what we do, we go to Google to search for information, or like to search information, or to like look for products or services, right? So what is search engine optimization? I'll show you a small example. For example, you can see I have like typed car insurance online, right? And you can see like there are results coming up. Okay. And the first two results are like given as ad. So leave it this one, like coming back to it. So now you can see there are different websites like showing their data, like showing the information about car insurance. Okay. So basically, if you think like there are millions of websites who are into car insurance, but only a few of them have got the top positions in Google, right? And how it will benefit them, because users will ultimately click on their like listing and they will go to the website and they can like convert there. So basically, search engine optimization is the process of appearing on top of Google rankings for your related set of queries. If you are a website development company, definitely you will want to appear for website development services, website development agency. So these are your relevant set of queries. So when a user is coming on to Google and typing the query which is relevant to your business, and your website or your web page is appearing on top results, you get traffic and ultimately leads. So search engine optimization in simple words is the process of optimizing your website like with respect to Google guidelines, so that you can appear on top listings of Google, right? So there are like how search engine works. Basically what they do is like they crawl your website, they index it, and they rank it. When your website is live in the World Wide Web, what does Google do? Google bots crawl your website and they put it in the database, which is known as indexing. And then when they see that somebody is typing a query related to your product or service, they will throw out the results. And if you have done your SEO or searching optimization right, you will get top listings on Google. Okay. So basically SEO is of two types. Like one is on page SEO and other is off page SEO. When I say on page, it means on the page. Like these are pages. If you click on this, you will go to a particular page, right? A page from a website. A website can have multiple pages. So what is on page SEO? The set of guidelines or factors that Google gives us to work on our page in terms of HTML or speed or content. So if you work on those factors, it is known as on-page SEO. When you work on these factors efficiently, Google will consider you to rank higher than your competitors. Okay. And what is off-page SEO? Off-page SEO is basically when you work outside your page, basically link building. For example, if somebody has shared a link of your website, so that is a part of link building. Your website link is provided on another website. So there are multiple off-page SEO strategies that you need to work upon, and then Google will decide, okay, these strategies are right, these are ranking factors, and now I'll rank this web page higher than the other. Understood? Now comes search engine marketing. See, the term changes here. Previously it was search engine optimization, now it is search engine marketing. So I'll show you a small example. If you see here, when I say car insurance online, there are ads coming up, right? So these are not a part of search engine optimization. These are not free listings. And SEO gives you free listings. If I click on this listing, even 1,000 times, there is no amount or money involved. But if I click on this, or if I click on this, so the money has to be paid to Google. For example, in Guwahati, there is Central Mall. If I want to put a banner of my company in the Central Mall, I'll have to pay money to Central Mall, right? Same is the thing here. So Google is the publisher, and you can see Policy Bazaar is the advertiser, which is using Google's search network as the platform. So definitely if someone clicks on this ad, so Policy Bazaar will have to pay an amount to Google for that particular click. So that's why it is also called pay-per-click model. Okay, now you're wondering how we do this. So basically what Google does is Google gives us like all the advertisers a free tool known as Google Ads tool, where you create this ad, where you set the targeting and every science behind it. Everything is done on the tool, and that tool is known as Google Ads tool. It's like one of the major things that like you learn in digital marketing. I'll show you just a fair example. Just give me 1 second. So Google Ads tool is available for all advertisers who want to showcase ads on Google search network or even other networks of Google, which I will be coming. after this. So see, this